Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a fantastic 3 days here at the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit 2019 in Yekaterinburg, Russia. Our aim was to help facilitate productive dialogue and create an environment that allowed for open discussions around the future of manufacturing. All this in an age of unprecedented technological change. And we've managed to do just that. We're proud to say that all the discussions, workshops, and talks have led to a true meeting of minds, the opportunity to share expertise from across the globe and discuss how to tackle the rapid growth of 4IR technologies. It's proved to be invaluable. We hope that these conversations will continue long after you've left this forum. We also hope that you've made some meaningful partnerships which will lead to fruitful collaborations. We'll begin our closing ceremony with an address from Hiroshi Kuniyoshi, Deputy Director of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank everyone who participated in GMIS 2019. Your inputs over the past 3 days have contributed to an enlightening and reflexive summit on the development issues ahead. I'd like to especially thank the government of the Russian Federation, which ensured high-level participation at GMIS 2019 and demonstrated thought leadership and creative solutions throughout this process. I also thank Rose Congress for organizing the logistics and providing the necessary conditions for this successful event. We further welcome the engagement of our co-chair, the Minister of Energy and Industry of the United Arab Emirates. This commitment has been a key element of the success of GMIS 2019. Over the past 3 days, we heard about the potential of nature-inspired technologies and their contribution to the achievement of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Along with green industry, convergent technologies, circular economy, and resource-efficient cleaner production, nature-inspired innovation can make a real difference to how we manufacture goods, making them more environmentally sustainable and efficient. There are large differences between countries, regions, industries, and companies concerning their ability to capture the benefits of the fourth industrial revolution. This is reflected in differing responses by countries. As we have heard, some have levied online sales taxes, while others are considering taxing robots. Similarly, countries are prioritizing different sectors according to their comparative advantage. Some countries are investing in Internet of Things. Others are focusing on artificial intelligence or advanced robotics, while again others are prioritizing smart factories. There is still little certainty over the likely path of the fourth industrial revolution. We know that there will be creative destruction, that is, new industrial sectors will emerge and old ones will be swept aside. We know that there will be changes in society that will affect millions of people. Yet, the predictions diverge sharply on how the fourth industrial revolution will pan out for each country. It is therefore vital that we enact some type of effective technology transfer mechanism for developing countries. The revolution must be one that also belongs to the SMEs, to the entrepreneurs, to the family businesses. Let's put in place the framework for the future of manufacturing and the support to help them access it. Development agencies such as UNIDO need to work hand in hand with partners in the private sector, government, international organizations, and research community to best assist countries in their technology transitions. It is only through leveraging our combined resources that we can truly make this a global revolution, creating shared prosperity for all. UNIDO stands ready to cooperate with all partners and stakeholders who value inclusiveness and sustainability in the fast-changing world of tomorrow. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the importance of GMIS cannot be overestimated. Industry has historically been the foundation for achieving higher incomes, decent work, and greater social mobility. Few countries have ever become high-income countries without a special industrial policy focus, and there are strong statistical links between the level of industrialization of a country and overall levels of human well-being. It is, therefore, with pleasure that I note that GMIS is gathering momentum fast. It has already been announced that GMIS 2020 will take place under the auspices of Hannover Messe, the world's largest industrial trade fair, from the 20th to 21st of April in 2020. We look forward to engaging with our German hosts. With this positive note, I'd like to conclude. I thank you once again for your participation in GMIS 2019, and I look forward to our future collaboration. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Kuniyoshi.